National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Wise County in Southwest Virginia, central Scott County in Southwest Virginia, northeastern Lee County in Southwest Virginia until 5:30 p.m. At 4:38 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located over Kenver, or 9 miles east of Highland, and moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Gate City, Big Stone Gap, Pennington Gap, Appalachia, St. Charles, Duffield, Clinchport, Dryden, Fort Blackmore, Jasper, and Pattonsville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in Virginia, Lee and Wise.